How to view and claim pending Robux. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your pending Robux and then view them so that you have an understanding of when you'll actually receive those Robux. So if you've been receiving donations in Please Donate on Roblox, but you're not getting the Robux in your account, by the end of this tutorial, you'll understand why, and you'll also understand when you're going to get those Robux in your account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply go to roblox.com and log into our account. Once we're logged in, go up into the top right and select the little Robux icon. Once you do that, select Robux, and if it says 0 here, that's okay, just select it. This will bring you to My Transactions, and under Incoming Robux, you should see an area highlighted Pending Robux. To the right of that, you'll see your pending Robux. So if you receive any donations in Please Donate, Roblox will put those Robux on hold for up to a week before you actually receive them in your account. So you don't need to claim anything or select anything in order to get those Robux. You just need to wait. To see a better view of your Roblox collected in Please Donate, go up into the type of transaction right here where it says summary, select that, and select sale of goods. This will show you all the donations that you received in Please Donate, and if you see a clock next to them, that means those are still pending, and I would just go to the left and look at the date and add a week to that, and that's when you'll receive those at the latest. All right, so that's how you claim pending Robux on Roblox. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.